Hi everyone, what's up mga bebs? So for our today's vlog, I'm gonna tour you our place here in Canada after the winter storm. So just keep on watching lang and thank you so much. So there you go mga bebs. It's been a while since nag-post ako ng aking vlog dito sa aking YouTube channel. Since na busy lang ng bahagya, but it's now time. Bali, babalik na ulit ako sa pagbablog. And then as you can see, sobrang liwanag dahil sobrang puti lahat ng lugar. Kaya masakit sa mata. I should wear my sunglasses instead. And ayun, bali, papakita ko sa inyo yung lugar namin after the winter storm. Actually, it's already the third day of the winter storm. Then, ayun, nakabalot tayo for today's video. Like, I'm wearing my toque, winter jacket, boots, then my inner pants din ako. Then, of course, gloves. Dahil it's negative 16 and it's so cold. So, I'm gonna show you my way going to somewhere so that you can see how it looks like after the winter storm. As you can see, sobrang taas ng snow dito. Kasi umabot na hanggang tuhod, yung iba hanggang bewang. Pero pag pinail na yung snow, talagang aabot talaga siya ng lagpas tao. So this is how it looks like. Ayan, sobrang taas na ng snow. There. So, magta-try ako mag-shortcut doon sa dinadaanan kong park. Look ko, sobrang taas niyan mga bebs. And for sure, pag dumaan yung mga small car dito is madidit sila or mababalahaw, which they cannot move anymore. May stuck na for sure. So, here it is. Sobrang taas ng snow. Hopefully, passable yung dinadaanan ko dun para mapuntahan yung pupuntahan ko. Ayan, look at that. Ayan ang hirap dito sa Canada, lalo na pag nasa looban ka na residential kasi huhulihin ka talaga bago linisin yan. And look at that, sobrang taas mga bebs here. It's actually full of snow. So, if there's a footstep in here, I can walk. And malayo pa lang ako nakikita ko parang may footstep na. So, I can go there and show you the park. Lalo na yung mga hindi nadadaanan. Ayan. Oh, look at them. So, may daan dito. I'm gonna try to walk there. Ayan. After this, mamaya na ulit ako magbablog kasi doon na yun sa mismong road. And medyo hindi ganong safe. Oh, look at that. Lulubog ka talaga. Ayan, may mga footstep na. Ayan, lumulubog ako. So, I'm just gonna walk across here. Ayan, grabe. Sobrang lalim niya. So, yun mga bebs. I'm already walking across the street. Ayan. Look at that. Saka sobrang puti ng view. Siguro, bunny yung nag-walk dyan. And look at those footsteps. Grabe yung paningin mo dito, para siyang naggaganon kasi lahat ng paligid mo is white. Ayan. Siguro pag nagkamali ka ng step, higa ka dito talaga sa snow. Then grabe. So I'm almost. This is how it looks like. So, ayan, yung mga nasa Pinas, kala nyo madali ang buhay dito sa Canada. No, it's not. There. I was able to cross from other street hanggang dito sa shortcut. So, ayun lang, papakita ko lang sa inyo ng konti yung daan. Then, I'll be right back. So, ayan mga bebs. Sobrang puti ng snow. Grabe. Ang sakit niya sa mata kasi everywhere it's white. And then the sun, there's a sun, as you can see. Kaya sobrang sakit niya sa mata. And look at the places here. Yung mga kinumpal nila, sobrang taas. And it's actually -16 here. And that's one of the most problem pag winter dito. Yung mga car hindi umaandar kasi sobrang lamig. And na-stuck or na-ditch sa snow. Look at that. Ayun lang, so I'm just gonna walk to the place kung saan talaga ako pupunta. Then I'll give you some updates sa mga main road here in Saskatoon, Canada. So there you go, thank you so much. May tinulungan akong car na itula kanina, sila yun. Kasi na-stuck sila. Then, nag-thank you naman. Yun lang, ganito kasi dito sa Canada. If someone gets stuck, willing naman tumulong yung iba, but the rest are just gonna take a look at you. Then they don't care. But most of them are really helpful. So yun lang. Sure ko lang, yun yung kanina nakita nyong na-ditch kanina before I cut the video. So right now, I'm gonna show you some of the main road here and how it looks like. So there you go, just go mga bebs. This is the main road here. Look kung gaano kataas yung mga snow dito. Ayan. Buti na lang maayos pa yung mga daanan ng tao. Kasi you really need to clean your etong walk-fat na to, or else macha-charge ka by the city. And look, sa gitna nila kinukumpay lahat ng ice. And sobrang taas. So medyo delikado yung mga four-way stop or something like that. Kasi zero visibility or blind spot siya. Kaya kung tatawid kayo using a car, you must be very careful. And this is how it looks like naman sa mga backyard or back door. Ayan, sobrang taas ng snow. And look at that, mga bebs. Sobrang puti, sobrang kinang. With crystallizing, tantalizing pa yung snow. Imagine that. And you're walking with two pants, two tops, jacket, bonnet. Diba grabe? Sa pagdadamit pa lang kailangan mong mag-bundle up. You also need some gloves kasi magja-dry or magbabalat-balat yung balat mo dito. So yun lang. Look at that. Sobrang taas ng snow dun. Then I'll show you later doon sa pinaka main road. Ayan, grabe. Ayan ang kalagayan ngayon dito sa Saskatoon, Canada. So ayan mga bebs, look at that. Grabe. Sobrang taas na ng mga snow dito. At nag-i-snow pa. Grabe. It's so cold in here. Puno na ng snow at nag-i-snow pa. Ayan mga bebs, ganyan kataas yung snow dito. Halos lagpas na ng tao yan. If you could imagine. Grabe, pag natunaw yan, sobrang muddy, sobrang putik. Ayun, may parang problema pa dun. Oh, look at that. I'll show you how high it is. Mga bebs. So, eto yung bundok. Bundok ng snow. And look how high it is. Grabe. Sobrang taas. Hi. It's snow everywhere. And again, nag-i-snow pa. Hi. Ay, tama nga yung sinabi na nila na this is the worst winter ever. Kasi at first they said parang walang winter kasi late na siya nag-start. But right now yan, bumabawi na siya. Which is in favor naman sa mga farmers kasi they were able to have lots of water pag nagmelt to. I'm here at the parking lot. I'll show you something. Look at that. Halos puro snow na lang. Wala nang mapagparkan yung mga car dito. Ayan. They pile it everything in here. And look at that. It's a snow everywhere. No joke. Ayan, full of snow. This is one of the worst winter storm year 2024. Look at that, sobrang taas. Pero as you can see, may mark dyan nung truck. Siguro binabawasan nila yan every night. And look, gaano siya kakapal. Ayun pa, oh, parang bundok na, parang Mount Everest. And for this one, oh, halos sinakop niya na yung dalawang side ng parking area. At yan yung mga establishment dito, walang ganong tao. Because of the snow, ang dami na nasak sa loob. There you go. Well, look at this one, oh. It's so high. At sobrang dami na niya. Grabe. So yun lang as of the moment. Look at this one, mga bebs. Not possible na yung back alley. Kasi sobrang taas ng snow. Walang naglilinis. And yan. Bali pa uwi na ako. Grabe. Ayan yung snow. Look at that, diba? Ang sarap mamuhay dito sa Canada. Grabe. Sobrang taas ng snow. Nag-yellow pa ng, umuulan pa ng snow. Ayan, kasi may binili lang ako. Ayan, grabe, tiis. So there you go mga bebs, as you can see, namumula na yung cheeks ko kasi sobrang lamig talaga dito. It's like -16. And then, I'm not wearing any mask or something. Kaya mabilis siyang pumula and then nag-i-snow pa. Sobrang lakas ng hangin. Karamihan dito makikita nyo kung sana lang tumutulo yung sipon. Ayun lang, thank you so much kasi nag-watch kayo until the end of my vlog. So kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe ng aking YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe na and click the bell button para ma-notify ka if ever na may new videos na upload ako. Pa-comment, like, and share. We also have our Instagram, FF Tamayo, Facebook page, Talis Tamayo. So it's just gonna be under my name. Thank you so much and see you on my next vlog.